Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hi guys, welcome to Geribra Live TV. For the purpose of those who are interested in the Odu Ifa that is written in pure Yoruba, so I have this one for you because I've been getting some messages on my WhatsApp. You know, people were asking me of an Odu Ifa that is purely in Yoruba language. So there is one here, Iwe Mimo Ifa Esin Akoda Olodumare. So this book as well is a very good Odu Ifa book. So láti ọwọ́ Olóyè Ìfálérè Ọ̀dẹ́gbèmí Ọ̀dẹ́gbọ́lá, then olóòtú Adéọlá Adijat Faleye. So this is the Baba right here. This is the olóòtú. So this is the author right here. Then this is the olóòtú, you know. So the book is fully in Yoruba language. As you can see, it's a Yoruba Odu Ifa book. So in the book, it has or it contains all the 256 Odu Ifa as well. You know, the last time I brought the Holy Book of Odu Ifa to you guys, and a lot of people have bought from that book. So some people now demanded for the one in Yoruba language because they are of the opinion that that Ifa religion can be well understood in Yoruba language. And that is the reason why I am recommending this one. You know, Iwe Mimo Ifa Esin Akoda Olodumare. So in this book, we have from the Orikini, that is the chapter 1 is Ejiogbe. You know, chapter 2, Oyekumeji. Chapter 3, Iwori Meji. Chapter 4, Odimeji. Chapter 5, you know, Ori Karun, Irosum Meji. Ori Kefa, that is chapter 6, is Owori Meji. Then Ori Keje, chapter 7, Obara Meji. 8, Okoran Meji. 9, Ogunda Meji. 10, Osa Meji. Then 11, Ika Meji. 12, Oturupon Meji. 13, Otura Meji. That is chapter 13, Otura Meji. Ori Kerinla, that is chapter 14, is Irete Meji. Ori Keedogun, that is 15, chapter 15, is Ose Meji. Ori Kerindinlogun, that is chapter 16, is Ofun Meji. You know, as you can see, just exactly like the Holy Book of Ifa that I brought last, I think a few days ago to you guys. So the first 16 chapters contain the major Odu Ifa, the major 16 Odu Ifa that we have. So from the chapter 17, we have Ogbe Yeku, that is Ori Ketadilogun. That's chapter 17. So and so on and so forth like that, up to from that chapter 17. So we now begin to have the minor Odu Ifa. So as you know that the rest of the Odu Ifa, apart from the what is it called? Apart from the major Odu Ifa is 240. So when you add 240, the minor Odu Ifa to the major Odu Ifa, which is 16, so we have 256. And this book contains all the 256 Odu Ifa. As you can see, it contains all the 256 Odu Ifa. That is from Ejiobe up to, you can see, 256. Ori Otale Lugba Odimeri. That is in Yoruba language. 256. Ofunse. That is 250. Number 256 of our Odu Ifa. So it's Ofunse. Now, going to the numeric number of this chapter is Àfihàn iye tí Odu Ifa jẹ́. Àfihàn, that is the sign. So Àfihàn iye tí Odu Ifa jẹ́. As you can see, the sign with this book, you will be familiar with the signs of all the 256 Odu Ifa that we have. You can see from 1, Ejiobe, up till, with this book, you will be familiar with the signs of the Odu Ifa. By the way, this book is purely in Yoruba language. For those of you who are interested in the Yoruba version of our Odu Ifa, so this book is very, very good for you. This book is very, very good for you, as you can see. So now, you see, I'm showing you all the signs up to like Ofun, Se. Now, I want to now show you, or let me read a chapter to you for you to know what the way this book explains our Odu Ifa. So I will use an Odu. I will read it out to explain what the Odu says. So you can, from this book, you can understand the message or the messages of our 256 Odu Ifa. So we have 2 chapters each per Odu in this book. And with that, at least you are good to go in the understanding of our Odu Ifa. So, this one is Obara Rosun. That is Obara and Irosun. Obara Rosun. So the chapter 1 of this Obara Rosun says in Yoruba language. I will be reading in Yoruba. So for those of you who are not, who don't understand Yoruba, so you can turn on your closed caption for the translation. Because right now I will be reading in Yoruba, though I can summarize in English as much as I can. So, the apá kìíní, ẹsẹ̀ kìíní, ọ̀bàrà kó sùn kẹfun, adífá fún ajé, adífá fún ọmọ. Wọ́n ní jíjà àgbà lọ sí ilé Olódùmarè. Ọ̀bàrà ró sùn, ọ̀bàrà kó sùn kẹfun, adífá fún ajé, adífá fún ọmọ. That is, this cast Ifa for Ajé. Ajé is wealth. Then Adifa fún ọmọ, that is children, child. Wọ́n jíjà àgbà. That's the correct pronunciation. Wọ́n jíjà àgbà lọ sí ilé Olódùmarè. That is Ajé and ọmọ. That is wealth and the children and children, they were fighting, and they went to Olodumare. So let us read what this verse 1 says in Yoruba language. Ajé àti ọmọ àwọn méjèèjì ń jà sí àgbà. Nígbà tí àríyànjiyàn pọ̀ lórí ìwọ lẹ̀gbọ́n èmi làgbà. Wọ́n gbé ẹjọ́ náà lọ síwájú ẹni tí ó ṣẹ̀dá wọn tí í ṣe Olódùmarè. Ọba tó dá ayé àti ọ̀run àti gbogbo ohun tó wà nínú rẹ̀. You know, as you can see, for some of you or people, so many of our Abrahamic religion followers who are of the opinion that our Babalawos or our traditionalists do not know God. Right from our Odu Ifa recognizes that God, Ọba tó dá ayé àti ọ̀run àti gbogbo àwọn tó wà nínú rẹ̀. You know, we know, our ancestors knew God before the advent or before the existence of any foreign religion in our land. So it's clearly saying it here that Ọba tó dá ayé àti ọ̀run àti gbogbo ohun tó wà nínú rẹ̀. That is, God who created heaven and earth and everything in them, as you can see. So let's move on. So wọ́n rojọ́ fún Olódùmarè, ṣùgbọ́n kí ó má dàbí ẹni pé òun fẹ́ràn ẹnìkan ju ẹnìkan lọ. Ó ní kí wọn ó padà sí ilé ayé, kí kálukú ó dá iṣẹ́ tirẹ̀ ṣe ní ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀. Tí ó bá di oṣù mẹ́ta lónìí, kí wọ́n wá fi ẹnu ara wọn sọ àgbà. That is, they should come back to come and declare who the elder will be. So turn on your closed caption to get the translation to what I'm reading. So àti ajé àti ọmọ kálukú lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ awo. Wọ́n sọ fún ajé pé òun làgbà, kí ó tẹ̀lé àṣẹ Olódùmarè láti má ṣe bá ọmọ ṣe àṣepọ̀, kí ó sì má ṣe ku ẹnu. Ìgbàkígbà tí ọmọ bá ti fẹ́ bá ṣe àṣepọ̀ ni kí ó máa sọ pé kí ó má ṣe dé ọ̀dọ̀ òun, ṣùgbọ́n kí ó rúbọ kí ọmọ lè tètè gbà pé ajé lẹ̀gbọ́n òun. Wọ́n ní kí ajé ó rú ẹyẹlé 2, òbídìẹ 2 àti ọ̀kẹ́ owó 12. Ajé ṣe ètùtù yìí. Babaláwo ní kí ọmọ náà ó tọ́jú àgbébọ̀ adìyẹ 2, ẹyẹlé 2 pẹ̀lú owó. Ọmọ ṣe ètùtù yìí, ṣùgbọ́n kò rí ajé fi ra adìyẹ àti ẹyẹlé. In fact, Ifa is a book of wisdom and knowledge. In fact, as I'm reading, I'm learning so much from this Odu. And the Odu is Obara Rosun. That is number 111 on the list of our Odu Ifa. You know? So, wọ́n ní kí ọmọ kú ewu. No, sorry. Ọmọ fẹ́ ṣe ètùtù yìí, ṣùgbọ́n kò rí ajé fi ra adìyẹ àti ẹyẹlé. Báyìí ni àwọn méjèèjì bọ́ sílé ayé. Wọ́n kí ìyá ọmọ kú ewu. Wọ́n bu omi láti wẹ ọmọ tuntun. Ajé sọ pé kí wọ́n má ṣe fi igbá bu omi torí pé òun ni wọ́n fi ra igbá. So I wouldn't want to read everything because of time. So when you buy the book, you can read by yourself, as you can see. So I wouldn't want to read everything. But when you buy it, you can read it by yourself. You see, it's a Obararosun. So guys, this book equally talks about, when you visit a Babalawo and you wish to know what to do to solve your problem. So this book is a guide. It's a guide. So when it's a guide to knowing what to do, whenever a particular Odu Ifa is revealed. So this book is good. You can know what to do whenever a particular Odu is revealed to you with this book. At least you can have an insight into what you can do. So when you buy the book, you can read from any of the Odu Ifa that you want, to educate yourself, or and to acquire knowledge and wisdom of Ifa. So this is how far I can go with this explanation. If you need this book, right? If you need this book, check the description section of this video. The description section of this video to order, right? So thank you very much and get a better life.
Ewi alara o morire, ọ̀rọ̀ tún wọ́ o morire o, ire tó sọnù ire wọlé dé o. Yes, my fortune is back. Ifa alara o morire, ọ̀rọ̀ tún wọ́ o morire o, ire tó sọnù. Yes, tell Alara that I've seen my fortune.